Hey everyone, wondering what I've been up to in the last year and 5 months for what I printed? Stay tuned. Hey everyone, my name is Thomas, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go over everything I've printed in the last year and 5 months. This might take a little while, but I think you're going to like what you're going to. Cool things I printed this year were the Green Ranger's Dragon Dagger, this awesome Voltron helmet from Nico Industries, this Mighty Morphin Power Rangers White Ranger helmet, this Starburst helmet from Welsh 3D, this Shining Gundam helmet from Nico Industries, this Mega Man X helmet, this Mark 42 helmet from Do3D.com, this Zelda Breath of the Wind sword, this Saba sword from Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, Trunks' sword and cover from Dragon Ball Z, Gohan's legendary Z sword from Dragon Ball Z, this Thundercat Sword of Omen sword, this Master Sword from Legend of Zelda, this Legend of Zelda Hyrule Shield, the Legend of Zelda Master Sword printed at full scale, this RX-78-2 helmet from Nico Industries, this Iron Man Mark 39 Star Boost from Do3D, this Super Mario Bros. Question Block, this Burning Gundam helmet from Do3D, and lastly, the full Burning Gundam / God Gundam. So that's pretty much everything that I printed in the last year and 5 months. Some things I had to throw away because they were just too small and they weren't going to fit me, so I had no use for them. Some parts I kept just so I can use to do testing for doing different things with it. So I still have a long way to go on a lot of my different projects. As you see, a lot of them are in various stages. Some have some paint on, some are not. I only have 2 completed helmets. Everything else is still in its various stages. So stay tuned for more, and thank you for watching.